What's up, guys? We back at it. It's Landscaper J. I got Landscaper T with me. This is Building with My Dad. We is back at it again. Today we are fixing the mower today. So basically we are changing the ignition coils right here. And to do that, you need a lot of tools. I'm gonna start with that. A good amount of tools, because it's a good amount of screws just to get this up, lift this up. We already got it off, but you're gonna need to get that up if you're ready to change your ignition coils. And yeah, I'm just gonna set the camera up and we just finna get this thing rolling. Come on with me. So guys, what we're doing today is we're removing these ignition coils off of this lawnmower. And this is the SCAG V-Ride 52-inch cut. It's a little older model. It's not the actual factual first model. I mean the second model, but it's the first model. And what we're doing is we're just replacing the ignition coils off of the SCAG this morning. It was running a little sluggish. It'll crank up, it'll run, but it was just kind of, you know, gasping for air a little bit sometimes. So what we're going to do is we're going to change the ignition coils. I've already changed the spark plugs. I've already changed the fuel filter. I've already changed the oil. I've changed the filters in the air. And now it's just time to go ahead and just change these ignition coils. And that's what we're doing today. I've already taken one off, and it was here, as you guys can see. And we've taken it off. I'm taking off the spark plug, and we're going to go ahead and replace these. And I'm going to show you guys how to put it back on. I'm gonna show you the way that I took it off by the way that I'm going to put it back on, so you guys can actually see what tools I used and what to do to take it off. But first, before I actually and factually put these new ignition coils on, because as you can see, the new ignition coils are all nice and crispy. What I want to do is I want to go ahead and I want to clean off the mower a little bit and vacuum out the little excess dirt in here. So give me about 5 minutes and we'll go ahead and we'll put these things on. Stay with me. Come on. All right, guys, now what we're about to do is we're about to take the other one off and put both of them back on. But I'm gonna show you guys that when you put these things on, you gotta gap them with a business card or a small credit card. It has to be so small, it has to be a little bit. So as you can see, I'm gonna use my business card. Yeah, you see it, you see it, you see it. And we're gonna slide that thing in here, and what we're gonna do is it's the magnets right here. These are called magnets, and what they do is that they're the ones that kind of give it like a little magnets, I don't know, a little magnetizing when it comes down to sparking up the ignition. I don't know, these things, they run weirdly. I don't make them more, I just fix them. So with that being said, I'm gonna put this in between, and I'm going to stick the new and as you can see, the card is still moves. Well, right now, yeah, because but the card still moves, but it's in between. And then we're going to take our screws and we're going to tighten it down. Two baby screws at the top. Start the light on. I'm gonna pull this back some to get the magnet. Jesus, that thing is not. Put your card in there. Slide your car down. Tighten up your ignition coil. And now you have full clearance. Full clearance. It's supposed to have just a little bit of gap in there. Seems like one side seems like it's always smaller than the other, but that's what we're on at. Put that on there, and we're ready to rock and roll. So, this is trying to tell me I need to replace it? Is that what that's trying to tell me? Is there too much dirt in here? Let's see. Okay. Got it up a little bit, and we got it on there. But is it trying to tell me? Well, no. It's not. It's just so. All right, we're gonna get the other one off, and we're gonna crank the lawnmower up and see what we got. What we gotta do here is we got to get us another twist tie. Gonna pop this one. Okay, want to get everything away from, and you just want to slightly pinch it, pull it, and pop it. We got that taken off. And to get this off, I remember we had to take off this damn thing, but we're gonna try to get it off without it. Oh yeah, he's gonna do it. Takes a few wiggles. You work with it, it'll come off. Okay, we're gonna out with the old, dispose of the old one. And 2 old ones. Make sure out with the old, in with the new. I'm gonna tighten it down. Start it with the drill, and I'm gonna tighten it down with the ratchet, so it doesn't move inward as much as it was. Okay, get some movement. And what we're gonna do is you're gonna use see if we got any action here. Now, plug in your USB. And now plug in your TV. That's strange. I'll open this out there. It's always more than one way. Okay, we ain't pulling no wires, no extra stuff. No extra stuff. Cut it, cut it, cut it, cut it. Your price is way too high. You need to cut it. All right, we got this thing back on. Got everything tightened down. Got everything tightened down on this side. All right, we got play. Yeah, you hear it breathing, breathing. All right, and we're gonna put everything back on. And we're gonna go ahead and fire this guy up. Okay. I have no clue where to start. Ta! Good for okay. Or did he go this way? Well, I'll get it. We'll get it. When I find it. Somebody rolled over. It'll be doodle. Gotta put my head back under it. I been stand. It could be doodle. You play all day. I don't even know if those are the right screw. I'm sure they are. I mean, it's just turning and turning and turning. I ain't gonna tell you. Oh, my bad. Right there. Okay. Right there. That guy took us 3.5 hours. No. I'm too old for all that. Don't ask me again either. Fuck you doing? You try me again? Trying my thoughts. Already struggling trying to get a screw in here. You gonna ask me about do I remember some shit happened 30 minutes ago? It's gonna make me hurt myself. Laughing. I like being a cameraman. Are we doing this again? Yeah, we are. Another hour. Got that bitch in though. You can see what I just did. I'll be back in an hour. Yeah, right. Don't do me like that. My back is like, not again. Great. I'm gonna make a I'm ready, man. You sounding like SpongeBob. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. Just a little back turn, just to turn it this way. Little more. Adjust. Tighten. Team tighten. Throw that guy back in there, and you're good to go. And looks like we got 4 screws left. A lot of people get discouraged by hard work like this. But, you know, with a little patience, anything's possible. Enough for Preacher Landscaper J back to action.
Well, you know, this shit work yet. What the fuck you talking about?
Hey, it's gonna work. We did enough work.
We better work, right?
I hope.
We'll walk this motherfucker to the back. You know what you do when you walk something to the back. Shoot it!
Don't mind him, guys. Just don't. Right there. You know, fingers a little fat so you can't really see anything. Yeah.
Nigga said my fingers are fat.
I would wish y'all could see how I be putting my life on the line to get the angles. I don't think y'all know. It's a job alone. Let's get it. Let's get it. Right there. That's the one I couldn't show y'all. I was trying. And that just about wraps it up. All we have left to do is put this battery back on. Okay, and we got 5% left. So I would call that perfect. And I know you remember what it used to look like when we first started. Yeah, we're humble people. We don't just think we know stuff is gonna go right. Stop it.
have it, fellas, guys and gals, those who's watching, those who's up late just want to see some shit. We done figured it out, and it really wasn't nothing. The battery died on the camera before we can show you that it crunked right on up. But that's basically how you change your basic ignition coils on your SCAG V-Ride, your SCAG ride behind, walk behind, ride along, whatever it is. This guy right here, he's working, but I mean, we ain't using him today, so we just put all the tools on it and we just do whatever. But in about 2 days, 60. We gotta bring this thing back out and we gotta go cut.
That's 60, guy.
There's the 61 dude, and it's the 51 dude.
Yeah.
And that's the 48 dude on the truck. So, tune in to our next video. We got one coming. We're gonna change the same type of ignition coils on a John Deere walk behind 36-inch. We're gonna change the ignition coils and we're gonna do the whole oil change and the spark plugs and all that. And it's easy. Once you take all that stuff off, hell, you just put it back on, but you put it on with new stuff. So until then, check us back out. Building with Josh and his dad, or however the fuck he be saying that shit. But y'all see it. Peace.
Yep. Building with my dad is Landscaper J and Landscaper T.